Step by step, I'm gonna show you how to find hot selling products on eBay, what I do to find these products. That's what I'm gonna show you today. Show you exactly the whole process in today's video. Alright, let's jump right into it. Let's not waste no more time. But before that, please don't forget to make a quick like and don't forget to make a comment below. And first of all, subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. What will you learn in today's video? That's the first question you're going to learn, and what I'm going to give you is this: how to find products and make over $6,000 per month. A quick breakdown of what you will learn that are currently doing over $6,000 per month, and to show you what the certain materials to know and what to look out for. I am to walk you through with one example of one product that I'm going to show you, and you don't necessarily need to sell that product. Just give you an indication of what to look out for. Just have to use this video as a guide. So we are going to go through two methods when it comes to you choosing your own product wherever to sell on. Amazon, eBay, there is a paid method and there is a free method. What we are trying to sell is potential products that are selling. How to find potential products that are selling right on eBay? That's the free method I will show you, and to check the selling statistics for any product right now on eBay, you should use Telebay. I will show you how to use a software called Telebay that will give you an idea of what type of products sell on eBay. That's of course the best method, and what metrics to look out for. Alright, let's get started. So the best place to start is on the main eBay page. That will help you find products on eBay, and then from there you are going to type in a specific product that you want to get into: the health industry, the pet industry. I'm going to start off with the pet industry, and how to do that within the pet industry by typing in the keywords. And what next? What you're gonna do from that point, what you are going to do is look at one of the first keywords that come up, and then from there you are going to jump right down, and all the products that are currently listed under this keyword. After you come to the product page, you are going to ignore the ones that are sponsored, go down to the ones that are not sponsored. Just go down. It starts from here, and when we are on this page, the main thing that we are going to look at is this part here where it says 290 plus sold. We are going to scroll down and have a look out for one that stands out to us. We are going to look out, okay, this one looks good, 10,000 sold. And the next thing we are going to do is click onto that on this page. The next thing I look at here, this part here, 26,000 sold, which is amazing and brilliant. The price is $3, not bad, which is okay. We're going to look at this part here, and that's the main thing where it says 26,000 has been sold. And if you click into that, it's going to show you all the details that you need. It will not show you the full 26,000. It only shows you the last maybe 100, and there also you can see the date. We are going to click into that research. Alright, so once we're on this page, it's going to show the last 100 that has been sold. It doesn't show the whole process, it only shows the last 100. We're going to scroll down to the bottom. Let's say for example he sold 100 in the last 5 days. He made over $300 in the last 5 days. That's for example over $300 is what he is made done in the last 5 days for this one product, which is good, very good. What next? What we are going to do is open up Tembi, go to the tradeback software, and this is when it gets into the pay element of the search process, and click on research, and we need to stay on eBay. We are going to come to this screen here. Once we click on research, on this screen we are going to type in dog furnace, and in more filters we are going to click on new, and we are going to click on fixed price. Just try to keep it fairly simple, and there is other sign, and that's what I really like to do. We need to change the date month by month. You know, we are going to have a better view. As we can see various different products here, and that one that we looked at, he made a lot of money from that one product. If we rank it by the highest amount of sales, you see this seller has done 1,000 in 1 month for this one product. Let's click into it, And there is another thing that we are going to get into, and what is that is how to get into branding your products like this one here, which is why he's able to charge a bit more for it, as you can see. And on eBay, that's highest sellers for dog harness. And in here, this page here, sell through rate, it's one of the most important metrics that we need to look out for. I am just gives you a breakdown, you know everything. That's high sell rate ideally. As you can see here, I can see that it's selling well, and when it comes to product, it's 50 minimum. And what I got to do is important. It myself take the best pictures. So I hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.